Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. Today is Blue Monday, so it's basically the most depressing day of the year. So the holiday season is far away, people are broke, it's cold, so basically people want to commit suicide. So I was like, not happening. I'm going to treat myself. And also I had my last exam today, so I'm super happy. I smashed it, to be honest. So I bought a new camera. So I got the Canon EOS M50 as a little treat. I've been wanting to buy this for at least a month now, but because it's so expensive, it's 600 euros. For me, it's a lot of money. I'm not earning from YouTube yet. But then I was like, money isn't going to show up in my coffin, right? So I'm going to treat myself. So we're going to unbox this camera today. This has basically become an unboxing channel, you guys. By the way, I had to go all the way to... I'm sure this is simple. I know why I always start cutting up stuff when I didn't even need to. I obviously didn't need to cut the cardboard. I'm so excited. It came with a shoulder bag, so that's really useful because I'm planning on taking this camera on my trip to Barcelona next week, so that's great. And the reason why I'm unboxing this camera on camera is because I bought this for 600 euros, so I have to make a video. So it came with a 60 gigabyte SD card, so that's always useful. That's the manual, that's a washcloth, the charger, I guess. What is this? That's a strap. I know what that is. Oh. Ooh, I love. And the reason why I wanted to buy a new camera was because I have a DSLR, a Canon 600D, but it's a great camera if you just want to take photos, but it's not the best camera if you want to film. So it won't autofocus, it has no stabilization, so the things that you film are always shaky. That's not a good thing, especially when you vlog. If I want to change the focus, I have to stop the camera and then start it again. And this one is great because it's a hybrid. So it's a vlogging camera, but I can also use it when I film sitting videos because it has a stabilization, autofocus, but you can also use older Canon lens with it if you buy the adapter. So it came with a 15-45mm lens, an SD card, a travel bag, as you just saw. Oh, I love it. I'm going to take my thumbnail photo now. I have high hopes for this. I hope I didn't spend 600 euros for nothing. So we're going to try this new bad boy now. Where is the battery? I am blind. I cannot see anything. Imagine if they didn't give me the battery. I'm going to lose my shit. What is this? I don't have the battery. Leave a comment if this is the worst unboxing video you have ever seen in your life. Also, this is the first camera I've ever bought for myself with my own money. The first one, so my Canon 600D, I got for my 22nd birthday, and I got my GoPro for my 23rd birthday. And also the reason why I wanted to buy this was because I have a GoPro and it has auto stabilization and it's great during the day, but it won't stabilize at nighttime, so it looks like I have Parkinson. That's not Optimus Primus, I don't know the word in English. And also because my GoPro is a sports camera, everything looks flat. It's great because it's waterproof, so it can go underwater and stuff, but the images are flat, the colors are not really vibrant. So I'm going to use this now, and I really hope this is going to be the best. Comment tu dis un achat? Purchase. So I really hope this is going to be the best purchase I have ever made. Ah, it is beautiful, my friends, what can I say? So we're going to switch to this one now. Well, actually, I have to charge the battery before using my camera, and it's 2 a.m. So I'm going to wash my face, go to sleep. I'm going to Utrecht tomorrow in the Netherlands at 9 a.m. I have my bus at 9 a.m. So I'm going to test this camera tomorrow for the first time. I hope it's gonna be great. I really hope it's gonna be great. But stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how this camera performs. I actually cheated because I used it for the first time yesterday when I was in Utrecht, but I wanted to make two separate videos. So the first one will be the unboxing and the try-on video, and the second one will be my travel vlog to Utrecht. So I'm going to show you how this camera works. Spoiler alert, it's an amazing camera and really worth the 600 euros. First of all, it has a flip screen so I can see myself when I'm filming, which my GoPro Hero 7 Black doesn't have. So this is the reason why sometimes I was filming like this, because I couldn't see myself. Ooh. And now I'm going to show you how the autofocus works. So in this clip, my camera is handheld. I'm not touching anything about the autofocus. As you can see, it is pretty accurate and pretty fast. And in this clip, I'm changing the autofocus by clicking on the flip screen. So as you can see, it's even faster. So now we're going to see how this camera performs in low light. So I'm going to shut the curtains. So it took about 2 or 3 seconds, but now I can see myself clearly. So it was pretty great. Yes, 2 or 3 seconds again, and now it's... Ah, that's awesome, I'm happy. Now we're going to test the stabilization. I'm going to talk and walk at the same time. I don't know if it's gonna be shaky, and also I heard that this camera had an awesome input mic, so I may not need to buy an external mic, so that's great because I'm going to save up at least 100 euros. So I think you got the point. Oh, and also this camera can film in 4K, but I don't really need it because 4K files are so big and take so long to process that honestly, I'm vlogging, I made travel vlog, I don't need 4K footage. So I'm good with HD, and if I want to film in 4K or 2.7K, I still have my GoPro, I can still use that. So I won't need 4K for this camera, but it's good to know that I have this possibility that I can film in 4K. So that's it, I think. I didn't get into real technical stuff because I don't know much about them, to be honest. I just know that I needed a really good camera for vlogging, but also for my sitting videos, and I think I found the perfect one. This is everything I needed. It has a flip screen, auto stabilization, autofocus. It's lightweight, only 500 grams. The sound quality is great, I heard, but this I'm going to test out when I put my files, my SD card in my laptop. So I think this is a great camera. I'm really happy with it. I don't mind spending 600 euros if it means that I have good quality camera. So that's it. Hit the like button if this was the worst unboxing video you have ever seen in your life. Tell me in the comments down below what type of video you would like to see next. I'll see you very soon. Next week I'm posting my Utrecht vlog, so stay tuned for that. Bye. Isn't going to you only live. This is an unboxing.
Hello everyone, today we are going to unboxing a new camera. Is that it?
it stabilizes. You have